Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. In here, we're gonna scroll down to System. I'm gonna scroll down and select Reset Options. Erase all data, factory reset. This will give us a list of data that will be removed by this process, so if there's anything here that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done the backup, you simply don't want to, you can select Erase All Data, then do that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take about a minute to finish up. It's very quick on this device. Once it's finished, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, it's now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.